What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video, guys, we do have a highly requested video on Jupiter, guys, which has been pumping in value over the last couple of hours, as you can see here, but overall it is just about 2% up in the last 24 hours, making it 0.0137. So where is this crypto heading to next? Is it going to pump up in value? Is there a pump coming soon, or is it going to drop down in value? And looking at, is there a crypto worth buying right now? Should you wait for it to drop further? We're going to cover both buyers and sellers' point of view, and looking at its next predicted value over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, looking at how high and how low this crypto can go. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So yes, we are on the Coinbase website right now. In the last hour itself, it managed to drop just about 0.5%. Over the last day, just over 1% up. Over the week, 4% down, and over the month, 22% down, guys. So as you can see, a major drop here back in late June, all the way up until very early August, July, sorry, and then pumped up in value. We had 3 days where it pumped up so much in value, and then ever since then it's been dropping in value. Oh, is it going to pump up again, or is it going to just keep dropping in value? Let's have a look. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by 18% in the last 24 hours, making it $1.6 million in trading volume, which is still a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Jupiter. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading the crypto. As you can see, we've got a massive 90% buy against 10% sell. So we do have a lot of investors. Most people are buying into it right now because it's dropping in value, so they're essentially buying the dips before it pumps back up in value. But it's all about when is it going to pump. So on the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and we're going to get the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and we have also got the SMA indicator, which is the purple line running across the chart here, currently valuing Jupiter at 0.01463. However, it is trading at a slightly lower value at 0.01371, meaning it's performing quite well and just about like it's meant to, but slightly lower. So let's move into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart here. What do we have? We've got the blue line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction. Nothing too deep. It is just about slanting towards the negative direction. And we've got the orange line going the opposite direction in a positive way, bullish. So essentially we've got two lines going opposite directions, so more or less is very likely is going to fluctuate at the current price range over the next couple of hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, it is likely to stay around the current price range, but in between that time we are expecting, or I am predicting it to drop down in value, peak back up. So it's going to be quite volatile, up and down, but overall it's likely to fluctuate at the current price range. Now moving on to the hourly chart, over the next couple of days, what can we see? So over the next few days, so towards the end of next week, we should expect an overall increase in value on Jupiter. As you can see, we've got both the blue line and the orange line looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction, sorry. So an overall increase is what is expected, but it's not going to be a major increase. It's going to be a minimal increase in value. And again, that does not mean that we're going to be hitting green candles every single day for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are going to have days when it's red, days when it's green. It's going to be volatile, but the overall outcome is all that matters. And at this point, it seems to be more on the positive side. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? We have taken a complete U-turn here, guys. We've got the blue line and the orange line both looking negative, heading towards the bearish direction. So once again, an overall decrease in value is what is expected, but again, it is a very minimal decrease, guys. It's not a major price drop or anything like that. Well, nothing like that is expected as of yet anyway. So let's say by end of August, early September, we should be trading below the 1 cent target, potentially heading to about half a cent or somewhere around here. But again, it all depends on how the crypto market performs in general. Again, we still got a good 6-7 weeks left for that time, so anything can happen. We can see, you know, Bitcoin dropping to 10-15k or pumping up to about 35-40k, and these things will have a major impact on not just Jupiter but the whole crypto market in general. So I will make sure to keep you guys updated. But to make it easier for you guys, what I have done is created a Telegram group chat where I'll be showing you guys daily price updates and predictions on Bitcoin, on what to expect, what to predict, what price target is likely to hit, is it moving in a bullish or bearish direction, and I'll also show you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. So if you guys want to get involved, the link to my Telegram will be in the description box down below. It is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this discount code here is only valid for the first 100 members that join, and after that it will increase to $29.99. And guys, over half the spaces have already gone, so there is literally a limited amount of space left before this discount code runs out. So what does this subscription exactly include? So you're going to get put into two group chats. One is where I'm showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. The second one is just a general chat where you guys can ask questions, discuss cryptocurrencies, new projects, and that is also where I'll be showing you guys daily updates on Bitcoin, on what to expect and what to predict. And I'll also give you guys analysis and predictions on different cryptos that you guys request for in the group chat. Again, any questions, any queries you guys may have before you sign up, simply send me a DM on Instagram. If not, once again guys, the link is in the description box down below. So back to Jupiter we go. So as you can see, we are trading in the red zone, but we have recovered quite a bit from where we were about a month and a half ago. As you can see, we were in the lower part of the red zone, and now we are just about halfway there. Hopefully we should be able to hit the green zone, so we're gonna have to at least 3 cents for us to head into the green zone, and I'm expecting us to get them later this year, potentially in about September, October time. But again, we've still got a while, and as I mentioned earlier on in the video, anything can happen between those times. We can see a pump up in value. Obviously, if there are any positive news or any collaborations that they've got going on, then Jupiter will have a major pump. Or if there's a negative news around it, it will have a dump as well. So it all depends on a lot of analysis and predictions around this crypto. But yeah, these are my predictions and my takes on Jupiter, guys. I've seen a lot of positive as well as a lot of negative comments around this crypto, saying it's a pump and dump, it's a scam, so on and so on. Let me know what your expectations are for Jupiter. What is the highest figure this crypto can hit in 2022? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on it. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And yeah, that is pretty much it. If you guys have any other video suggestions, like a different crypto that you guys want me to focus on or whatever it may be, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll try and get that done for you guys. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Not going to keep you guys here for too long, and I'll end the video here, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.